Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Kasama niyo pa din, my name is DJ Lala at ito pa rin ang programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Broken ay para sa mga taong madalas nagbibingi-bingihan at nagbubulag-bulagan kasi hindi nila natatanggap ang katotohanan. Yung mga taong okay lang. Ang sagot sa mga linyang, sorry na babe, hindi na talaga mauulit. Ikaw lang naman talaga yung mahal ko eh. Wala yun. Sorry babe, natukso lang ako noon. Ay, yan yung mga lalaking ang sarap hampasin ng kawali. Ang sarap silang ipakis dun sa bagong saing, dun sa mismong kaldero. Ay nako, this is one of the reasons as to why we continuously get hurt sa relationships. Kasi minsan, nasa harap na natin yung signs na hinihingi natin for us to let go. But we choose to look the other way because we are still in denial. Love, stop prolonging your agony. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even give you honesty. Mahirap kasi yung nag-e-expect ka ng pagbabago from someone na you know shouldn't have been doing that in the first place. O diba, kung ipagpapatuloy mo kasi yung pagkikibit-balikat at pagpapatay mali siya, you'll be left with nothing. Diba? Not even self-respect. So love, stop. Stop handing your heart over to someone whose aim is to break it. Okay? Ang next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Broken is for the people na matatalim magsalita. Para sa mga taong matatabil ang dila, this is to remind you how powerful words are. Sometimes kasi hindi nyo man sinasadya, nakakapanira kayo ng araw. Yung totoo, nakaka-bad trip kayo. Pero seryoso, minsan hindi nyo kasi napapansin, nakakapanghina kayo ng loob. Kayo yung mga tipo ng taong nakakapamahiya sa ibang tao. Nakakawala kayo ng confidence, nakakababa kayo ng self-esteem. Kayo yung nagiging dahilan as to why minsan mas ninanais na lang ng iba na either magkulong, wag na lang makijive sa mga happenings, wag na lang i-pursue yung mga gusto nilang gawin kasi there are people like you na matabil ang dila. I don't know if that's insecurity creeping out of your skin or that's just plain sadness kasi nakakakuha kayo ng kasiyahan kapag merong ibang nadadown or that's just you being a know-it-all. But let me tell you now, my love, continue on that road and you'll end up traveling your life's journey all alone. Because I guarantee you, no one wants to be with someone who thinks na they are better than anyone else. Napaka-toxic nun. Sobrang toxic nun. Meaning, magiging toxic ka. And you wouldn't want to be in the receiving end na mga linyang, if ever you start to miss me, remember, I didn't walk away. You pushed me away. Think about it. While pinag-iisipan mo yan, my love, papaalalahanan ko na lang ikaw ulit para ma-push din natin palayo ang pandemic na ito. Please, doble ingat po tayo. Please, sumunod sa utos ng barangay. And please, seryosohin natin ang social distancing. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Broken ay para sa mga taong may battle scars from the past who thinks na no one will ever love them again because of those scars. Well, let me tell you now, my love. You're wrong. You've never been so beautiful and that is because of those scars. Para sa akin, para silang medals from the past. Each one a testament of how strong you are to have withstand what you went through and how triumphant you've become because you're still here. Love, wag mong ikahiya ang mga pagkakamali mo sa nakaraan. Though, hindi ko naman sinasabing ipangalandakan mo sila. Baka naman sobrang proud ka, ganun. Wag ganon. O diba, discreet lang. Baka naman kasi pamalita mo eh. Hindi ganon. All I'm saying is, do not let yourself be defined by yesterday's mistakes. There's more to life than that and you still have more in you to show the world. So don't hide. If you're thinking na wala nang magmamahal sa'yo dahil sa nakaraan mo, uulitin ko, love, you're wrong. One day, someone will walk into your life brave enough and worthy enough for you at yayakapin ka niya sa kabila ng mga tinik na itinarak mo sa sarili sarili mo bilang depensa dahil sa trauma ng nakaraan mo. You just have to wait for that person. But for now, appreciate yourself. Love yourself in those scars because you, my love, are not broken. You are a survivor. Tandaan mo yan. Kasama niyo pa rin si DJ Lala and dire-diretso lang ang ating usapan sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. You are still tuned in to my program Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito sa 90.7 Lover Radio, GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one. SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.